taking a walk in the forest, get some fresh air, and by the river. It's nice. Huh? Oh, there's a big conch mushroom right here. Nice looking though. Chili mushroom, you can make a soap with certain things.
That's a weird feeling.
Ooh, look at the teeth.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at cow tongue. Oh, you think you can identify what it is?
Oh, yeah. Let me do it.
And this. We found out this is the tuft jelly fungus. It's beautiful though. Really beautiful. Seems like this thing grow more like in winter time.
There's a couple, like you can see little spots of it's trying to grow here and there. This one looks like it might got smushed or knocked off.
That old and melt off. There's a whole lot. I'm pretty sure this one grow more every year. Man, this is beautiful. Look more like cow tongue. Is it? No, it's like jelly. They eat it though. Look at the crust. I want to say these are. Oop. I'm gonna sink in. Oh, let me see. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. Let's see. Seems like it's turkey tail. I'm gonna take one or two to look at that. It has the white on the edge of it. There's more there. There's a few look alike. Oh, okay. But there's more.
That's a whole smorgasbord.
Look like it, but who knows? I want to say no at this time. Butter? Which butter? Yeah, you can actually eat it. This is the same, in the same kingdom as the other one. The one we saw earlier. Oh wow, this is a nice walking in the wood today. That you can, but it's so small. You can like, some people dry it and then they soak it in alcohol, then eat it like that. It's really supposed to be good.
Oh, that should be good.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Really? Oh, look at this little tiny mushroom here, so cute. I think this is the spring one of the spring mushroom. Tiny. Oh, look at that one.
All balled out. It's like backwards.
Different kind of mushroom. Yeah, wow, this is nice.
Pick out the tiniest little things.
And then look at that over there. Oh, here, right there. Is it right there?
Oh, wow.
It's a cup fungus. They call it a cup fungus. Yeah. Does it look like a cup? It's right there. It's nice to walk in the park today. You see all the small ones. I present to you the bouquet of mushroom. good kale cup mushroom. What are you doing? Oh, what a nice. Oh, let me see. Oh, it smells so good. Thank you.
You picked it, but I'll give it to you again.
It's like, look at this one. Dude. This is cute. We'll take this one home actually. It's too pretty not to take it home. They have more there too, so. Well, I cannot not take a bouquet of mushroom that my man gave to me. Holy smoke, you know, it's like, oh, look at that. It's all everywhere. But look at that. Uh-huh, right there. It's like a little flowers, yeah. They are. Same mushroom we saw earlier. Let me see right here. What kind is it? Oh, you know what? This look like, what's that poisonous one? Sulfur tuft. Oh my god, it does look like that one. Yeah, I think this is they call it sulfur tuft or something like that.
Sulfur tuft?
Yeah, sulfur tuft. Yeah, it is. We'll take it with us to compare.
Let's take it with us.
No, just you. It's not gonna kill you.
Holy
oh, what? Huh? Don't scare me. I'm gonna jump on your neck.
What? Well, that's a pretty heavy thing to fall from a high tree, hit me in the bill of my hat, maybe.
Yeah, I can see. Let me see how big. Oh wow.
This thing here.
Wow, I need a magnifying glass. Oh my god.
If you throw it on your head, tell me what it feels like.
Oh.
Let me climb way up that tree.
Mm-hmm.
And it, like it moved my hat.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Mm.
Here, strongman, hold that deadly mushroom.
Hold the killer mushrooms.
Hold the sulfur tuft.
Sulfur turf.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, okay. Well, we see one, so that's good. Oh. Uh-huh.
Oh, sorry.
Just keep it nicely because we have to take spore print. Okay. That tiny one earlier. Right there. Mm-hmm. It looked almost like umbrella. Oh, right there. See?
It's a cold breeze. I'm surprised.
At the base of the... Right there. It's mushroom. I spot this while driving. I'm not sure what it is. Might not be turkey tail, but I want to make sure anyway. Oh wow, it is turkey tail. Definitely. Oh, holy cow. Look at how this one is. Look, there's like a whole bunch of them just grow on the tree itself. Holy smoly, look, all the spore. This is actually turkey tail. Oh, really, it is. You see all the little spore here? Oh my god, this is nice. I'm gonna pick some. Oh my god. Just pick a little bit only because I'm gonna, oh my god, this like the mother of it, and then the rest are just coming out. Holy cow. This is still new. Oh wow, it's just basically a blanket of it. Wow, look at that.